The recent cyclone has caused severe rain in north and coastal Tamil Nadu. The water has entered several houses across Chennai, including mine. The water has entered all the rooms, as you can see. Our fridges, washing machine, furnaces, and gas cylinders are all submerged. And this is what it looks outside, the deep level water. Because of this water level, our evacuation is also dangerous for us.
The water logging is coming from outside.
Okay.
So this house is so low from the roadside, so we are getting a lot of water.
So how old is this apartment?
This is 35 years old.
35 years old. Because this apartment is in a low-lying area, it is not at the road level. So that's why.
No way for the water to go out.
Okay. And this is the first time you are witnessing something like this?
Whenever the rain comes for more than 4 or 3 hours. So based on the strength, this is the situation here.
Okay, and what time water entered your house?
3:34.
3:30. And this entire stretch, people have been complaining because their water has entered
All
their
the 4
residential apartments.
here in the ground floor are facing the same issue.
Okay. So where did you get these motors from?
So we hired this motor from the outside.
Oh, you have hired these? Okay.
We didn't get motor as well.
Okay.
Since we have contact, we were able to get that.
Okay. So there, people have been trying to remove this water. In fact, pump this water out by using these motors. These motors have been hired by these residents. In fact, they have been trying to do this since 3:30 a.m. in the morning, and this is what the situation looks like.
From 2015, we had the same issue.
Okay.
2016 as well. And now after that, there's a time.
So 2015 was Chennai floods.
Yeah, Chennai floods.
Then you had water entering your house. 2016 was Varda.
Correct.
Varda
After
cyclone.
that, this is the situation we are.